Yeah, garbage.
Not garbage.
Cabbage with
Hey, wow.
bông. Hello. Hello.
What is it?
I don't know.
Tamarind. Raw flesh.
Tamarind.
Tamarind?
Yeah.
What is it?
Sour.
Oh, tamarind.
That's good.
Cabbage and vegetables.
Okay.
And tofu.
Oh, yeah, I know it. It's like a paste. What is it?
Tamarind.
Do you do lots of cooking at home?
I think it's like very.
Do you cook a lot at home?
Me?
Yeah.
Never.
Never? Really? Do you only cook when you do this?
When I come to the jungle, I'm not lazy for cooking, but when I go home, very lazy
Who
with
does all the
cooking.
cooking at home then? Who does the cooking at home?
My wife.
Your wife. Ah, she's a good wife.
Yeah.
Does she know what a good cook you are?
Does she know that secretly you can cook well?
Yes, she's a good cook.
She's a good cook. Does she know that you can cook, or do you keep that secret from your wife? Does your wife know you're a good cook?
No.
No? You keep that quiet?
And then
I don't know how to do it.
she asked me many times, okay, please cook for her.
Yeah.
And then I tell her, if I cook for you one time, next time I will cook for you every day. So now I don't cook.
That's
So
the reason.
I never have her eat or even cut the vegetable.
Yeah, you don't even cut the vegetables.
I also wonder myself when I stay at home, very lazy.
Yeah.
Like a fry egg. I never do it.